How to fix Instagram message unavailable. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the message unavailable problem on Instagram. If you're seeing message unavailable instead of actual chat, stay tuned. I'll explain why it happens and how you can fix it. First, let's quickly understand why you're seeing this error. The sender deleted the message, the sender's account was deleted or disabled, the message was part of a group chat and the user left, or sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. Now, if you find the message unavailable message and simply go to the sender's profile. If you can't find the profile, they may have deactivated or deleted the account. If they blocked you, you might also not be able to access the messages. Next thing is to update your Instagram app. Open your app store and simply search for Instagram. Older versions of the app can cause glitches, including missing or unavailable messages. Next, what you can do is simply log out of Instagram and log back in. To do that, simply tap on the profile, tap on three dots, scroll down until you find an option called logout and simply tap on it. And that's how you deal with the message unavailable problem on Instagram.